Is Paidera a scam? What exactly is Paidera all about? It's simply a micro jobs website where you can earn money by doing quick and easy jobs. So, what sort of jobs? Well, you can do stuff like tasks, answering surveys, or even quizzes. I signed up with Paidera and I tested it out. There were a few things that I did not like about it. Does this mean that Paidera is a scam? Stay tuned and I'll share my verdict with you in this video. My name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. If you'd like to learn on how you can get started within the world of online business, go ahead and click on the link below this video description, and you can even sign up for my free 7-day course called Jumpstart Your Career Within the Online World to learn on how you can start earning a passive income online. And if it's your first time to my channel, a very warm welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you can be kept up to date on what's happening within the world of online business. Now let's talk about Paidera. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what the Paidera site looks like. It's www.paidera.com, and it's turned your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using an all-in-one solution provided by Paidera to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. They got no country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users accepted. This is their home, and then they got a survey section, a frequently asked section, proofs and reviews, advertise section, and you can go ahead and create an account. Why are we the best? Because they have unlimited tasks, inviting friends, instant payments. What we offer: sign up tasks, complete surveys, upload video, invite friends, write about us, and all in one. And they have 930,000 members, 7.877 tasks have already been complete, and so far they've paid out $1,516,000. And why choose us? Well, it's one of the only websites that provides multiple stream of income in a single platform. Means you will be able to choose what you do with the existing of many options: complete tasks, complete survey, quizzes, invite family and friends, right? And total earnings, this is of someone by the name of Jackson, right? And check proof and payments, and that's basically the site of Paidera. Okay, so you have now a general idea of what Paidera is about. Now, I mentioned earlier on that I signed up to the platform, and when you sign up in the dashboards, the first thing that you're going to see is they will have a section called video tutorials, and this is where we'll take you through the process of showing you on how to do some of the tasks. Then they go straight to the first jobs, which is the micro task, and once you've done these tasks, or if you choose you don't want to do them, then you can go on to the surveys, and then the last thing are the quizzes. So now I'm going to show you a bit on each of these three and what it is like when you sign up on this platform. Okay, so the first part is doing the task, and all you have to do is just click on one of the tasks, and then it will tell you to just follow the instructions, like maybe unlock a specific reward, or maybe you can get your free iPhone 11 or something like that. But it's just not as straightforward as it seems, and I'll tell you about that soon. Now let's talk about the surveys. Now with regards to the surveys, there you can find a lot of topics there, and you can choose which survey that you want to do. I did not do any of the surveys, but what I did try out are the quizzes, and I'm going to show you about that next. So then the quizzes are very much similar to the surveys, where you'll find a lot of different topics where you can just go ahead and click on the surveys. And as you can see from this picture up above, I could earn a total of about $35 just from completing these quizzes. But I want to share with you my experience on that as well soon. But let's talk now about how much you can potentially earn from doing each of these three different jobs. So how much can you potentially earn with Paidera? Well, say if you, for instance, had to do any of the tasks, most of them are below $1 from 25 cents upwards. And then say if you had to do the surveys range from 0.08 cents right up to 0.50 cents, and the quizzes range from 0.08 cents right up to 0.0 130 cents. So I tackled the quizzes, and one of the quizzes that I tried, it asked you questions over and over until eventually 20 minutes of my time had gone by, and the quiz still did not come to an end. That's when I said, you know what, I'm going to leave it. And then this brings me to talking to you about the surveys, which I think will work very much in a similar way, where they might screen you, and only after you've been screened you, then you only get the paid surveys. But the screening process might take a while, and you're not guaranteed to get any of the paid surveys. But I must tell you that I did not do any of the surveys, so I stand to be corrected for that. And then finally, with regards to the tasks, after I tried one of these tasks, well, I never go fully, because even though they only pay you a few cents for a task, you actually have to pay more, because when you click on any of these tasks, they actually take you to doing cell phone subscription plans, and we all know that if you don't control it, your cell phone bill can run through the roof. So that's why I did not tackle any of the tasks as well. So is Paidera a scam? And it's time now for the verdict. A scam. Okay, so let us get the not so good parts out of the way. The first thing that I did not particularly like was the fact that there is no owner transparency. It's very hard to determine who the founders are of this particular platform. And the second part is, even though they have a section dedicated to payment proofs, if one were to click on it, it would actually lead to a page which is offline. But nevertheless, I did manage to do my own research, and I checked out third-party review sites. One site in particular is trustpilot.com, and on that platform, Paidera scored, I think it was a 4.7 out of 5 stars. So I don't think that Paidera is a scam. If you are looking at doing a micro jobs, then you can give Paidera a try. However, I do believe that there are two drawbacks about this particular platform. And the one drawback, as you might have noticed, is that the earning potential is quite low. You're going to have to do a great deal of tasks and effort in order to reach a payment threshold. And the second thing is, you have to be an active earner. In other words, you have to constantly work at these tasks in order to earn money. It's not a passive income business opportunity. And that concludes my review of Paidera.com. But before I leave you, I'd like to leave you with one last thought. If you are thinking of investing your time, your effort, and your energy into building your own online business, and you want to earn a passive income online, then I believe the first part to start off is by investing in one of the greatest assets, and that is yourself. So if you would like to learn on how you can get skills to start your own online journey, go ahead and click on the link in the video description, and you will get to see my #1 recommendation, but you also will have the option to sign up for my free 7-day course to help you get started within the world of online business. Having said that, I want to thank you very much for joining me today on this video. I hope that it has helped you out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, and I'm looking forward to checking out in my next video. Do take care, and I wish you everything of the best. Goodbye.